I just want you to get everything. Just do a 360 for me.
Watch it.
Yeah, I really don't even know how to feel about this shit. Oh yeah, Alex.
Get. I don't even know how to say that shit. Galveston.
Galveston. But y'all see I got my boy right here. Today, what we about to do is, bro, y'all know how COVID getting real bad right now, all right? A lot of people don't play by this. So I'm just finna be coughing on folks. Coughing on folks. Like, come here, babe, let me tell you. Let me tell you. See, he know the video, he still ain't with it, you feel me? So, how y'all doing? Trying to find something to drink. Can't seem to start coughing, I don't have anything left in here. It's not melted yet.
You okay?
I think so. My chest hurts.
Goodness gracious. There you go.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I just want to let y'all. Oh. Bro, you know what's crazy, bro? I really started coughing. I almost died. My chest hurt like right now. Cause I just started coughing hard as bro.
I thought you were faking, bro.
I was trying to start, but like it feel like my throat bleeding now. That shit crazy.
Nasty throw that.
How long you been down here?
So far about 15 damn minutes trying to get this thing paid by phone to work.
Oh, have you been down on the what you call it yet?
There?
Yeah, on the pier.
No, not yet. We gonna first go down here to the beach, then we'll go down there and probably about an hour later or something like that.
Oh, okay. Oh, he's really going through it. He's really going through it. He mad as fuck. What's up, my man? What's up, my boy? How you doing? I was just trying to see if I can get out the sun, man. It's so hot. I just want to sit down for like...
What?
I just want to sit down for like 2 minutes, bro. Like...
Right here?
Yes, I'm so hot. Like, I got, what you call it?
Yeah, you can go under the pier. Over there is so cold. It's more cold like here.
Couldn't make it.
Over there is better than here.
I can't make it. Shit, I'm down.
You can
I got, damn, what this shit called? Fuck, I can't even remember what this shit called, but it's like when I get real hot, I get really sick, and I get weak. I just need to just sit down for like a couple seconds and shit.
You can stay here. Huh? You have to go under the pier. It's better than here.
Man. Help me out, man. Help me out. Hold on, I got a little water on.
You have water?
Yeah. I just forgot about it, I'm glad. Hey, let me hit the ball one time. Let me hit it bit one time.
Here, I got you. I'm great at giving up on you.
Bet. Hold that for me right there. Don't spit in it.
Get it to him, water.
Don't throw no crazy shit. Come on. Wait. Hey, y'all seen that TikTok one, bro? Like, oh shit.
No, we didn't steal it.
I throw that hoe. I need one more. Who is that? Why they recording us?
Well, you have to go over there.
No, I'm saying, who the hell is
You
it?
can't stay here.
No, I'm asking like, I don't know who the fuck that is.
Okay. Is your friend? I saw you with your head.
This shit high as hell. It's a nice view though. You know how to swim? You know how to swim? Good. I don't know how to swim, bro. So if I go out here and get in the water, don't let me die. Don't let me die.
Over there
Don't let me die. I'm good now, you feel me? Got a little water. Okay. If I go out here and get in this water, don't let me die.
Okay.
Alright.
Just swim, waist it, chest it only.
Nah, I think I want to go head first. Hold on. Oh, shit. Oh! Bro, I'm ass, bro. I'm ass, bro. I'm gonna make another you.
Well, hey, hold on, one more.
Who you playing for?
Dodgers.
Yo, at dodging the ball. That's how I already knew what you was finna go up here and say. Like,
yeah,
Actually,
no, we're like VIP or whatever. Like my uncle.
No. My boyfriend, he works for the Paretos, and they own this beach.
I'm saying that's his
your
uncle.
boyfriend? Where your boyfriend at?
I'm just holding down the fort for now.
That's his uncle.
So he left you by yourself?
I can hold down the fort.
But we own the. I mean, but his uncle owns the beach. We're VIP. Just call the Pearls.
So, do y'all want to rent or not?
We're VIP. We are. It's already rented. Just call the owners.
Well, I know you're not, so either you go to rent or you don't.
Call the owners.
Oh, you a lifeguard?
No.
You know how to swim?
Yes.
A lot.
I used to be a lifeguard.
You know how to swim good? Oh, okay.
All right. Have a good day. No, bro.
Hey, that's not fair. Hey.
Bro, if you do that 2 more times, I gotta walk, man.
Hey, so if we hit it, we run? So I'm supposed to run? Wait. Run.
I gotta go that way.
Run. Oh, shit. The ball gotta go that way for him to run? Oh, shit.
This guy's innocent in all of it. He's just taking a video.
He's the most devious one. He's the reason why this is going on adult websites.
So what's your first name? Something Pareto?
Huh?
What's your first name?
My first name?
That's Steven Pearl.
Pareto.
I don't look like a Corretto.
What'd you say?
I don't look like a Corretto.
Pareto. See, he doesn't even know.
I was trying to see, did you know?
No, I do.
Oh, okay. I was just trying to make sure you was really, saying what you said you was. I'm gonna let my folks know you really doing a good job. I'm gonna let them know.
Thank you.
I'm gonna tell, what's your name?
Devin.
Devin. I'm gonna tell you you're doing a good job, but at the same time I had to report you for bothering us. But I'm gonna tell them to let you keep your job and just like move you somewhere else.
Slide. See, it's not even my real job, so it's fine.
Y'all from Houston?
No.
You trying to knock that bitch out of park.
No. Yeah. We're on a basketball team.
Bro, you ass, bro. Bro, we just made
Why you did not do no better?
I ain't gonna lie, I hit the ball. I hit the ball twice.
Look close.
AI, he making black people look bad.
You know, alright, I got it.
I just want to welcome y'all to my beach. I ain't never been to no beach and seen no shit like this. Hey man, I just want to say, bro, long live Shia, bro. Long live my nigga Shia, bro.
They gonna get mad as fuck jumping in hell.
Wait, I was just finna say you jumping in hole if you want to.
Why the fuck are we right here? We finna get wet as fuck.
Yeah, let's go back. I don't want to get wet. Hey y'all, I'm the king of this land. Y'all trespassing on my rocks. Y'all trespassing on my rocks, but I'm gonna give y'all a pass though today. Make sure y'all go down there and get like a good view. You hear me? Get a good view. That nigga ain't acknowledge me at all.
Fuck you, boy. Fuck you, pay me.
Hey, he better not say boy. He can say fuck you all he wants to, but if he say boy, it's over with. I'm push his ass on the wall.
Boy. But I was trying to like, maneuver. You want it. Damn. Deep throw that. Deep go side.